Okay, I wanted to stop my work on the next letter box that I'm working on the P. I've got the pattern ready, I've just about got the blank ready, but I needed to cut me a cross to go down to my consignment shop. This is a cross I made with the AI. This has been several weeks since I've tried making patterns with AI, and it has improved vastly since I have last done it. I think this is ChatGPT that I made this one with a free version. And it's still not perfect. There's some areas here that I'm going to omit because you can't really cut them. So I'm just going to leave these four arms open on that outer cut there. The rest of it, there's some extra lines in some places I'm going to ignore. But overall, it's much better than any other pattern I've had AI to make for me. So I got this on a piece of seconds package walnut, quarter-inch walnut, maybe slightly thicker than quarter-inch. I'm going to drill some holes in it, and I'm going to use a number 5 modified geometry blade, and I'll cut it out. So let me get the holes drilled, get to the saw, and see how it looks when I finish. Oh, shit. So there's the finished cross. That's one of the better AI generated patterns I ever had created. It's not real complex, but it turned out nicely. Like I say, I had to cross some lines. I had some lines in places that didn't really belong, and had some weird little things in these areas that I could have added them in, but it would have been very delicate right there where they were connected. So I just cut those as an open area. And I'm going to call this finished. I put a little coat of finish on it. That's walnut, and grain is going sideways in it. That's just that particular piece I had. That was the best I could do with it. So if you like that, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, you can hang around and subscribe and hang around. I'm going to get back on my alphabet boxes. Next up is the letter P. I'll give you a little teaser on that. This is the font I've chosen. Drawers are going to be right here. I've got the blank pretty well finished for this. There's the blank for it. And I got this piece of oak I'm going to cut this fretwork out of. Then I got to find a backing plate. But I'll be starting on that here pretty soon. hopefully I can get that out before too long. But this is the focus of this little video, or this little cross. I've been working with AI a little bit. Took a few basic free crash course lessons on how to talk to it. And this is what I came up with for this little project. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.